Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave, and I am coming back to you from New York, the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic. So we are trying to hang tough in New York. It's been a little crazy, as we all know, but I am still seeing patients on an as-need basis. And one thing I noticed today is I noticed about 4 patients who came in wearing gloves. So I don't personally wear gloves during COVID-19. I'm not a big fan of wearing gloves. I'm wearing them just to demonstrate how to take the gloves off. But before I get to that, I want to tell you why I think gloves are not very helpful. Here's the bottom line. Gloves are like a second skin. So you have to treat the gloves like you would treat your regular hands. You still have to make sure you don't touch your face. You have to make sure you keep them clean. And they're not really reusable. Once they're off, they're off. So I understand if people wear gloves because it reminds them not to touch their face, or they don't like the feeling of touching a shopping cart when they go grocery shopping. I totally get it. But I don't think it's necessary. I think what's much more necessary, or much more important, I should say, is not to touch your face and to keep the physical distance. Much more important. And I definitely have been a proponent of, from the beginning, masks, wearing masks. The only issue with masks is that we don't want to take masks away from the healthcare providers. So I've been a little bit on the fence about masks. I do think people should wear them, but I think we have to give them to the healthcare providers first. All right, guys, so if you're insisting on wearing a glove, the most important thing with gloves is not to touch your face, but also remember, you need to take them off properly. So here's the deal. When you have gloves on, you want to start by making sure you are touching one glove with the other. So you can see here that I have the glove. I don't touch my skin. I take it off, okay? And I grab the glove with the other hand, and now I go beneath, okay, this glove. I'm not touching the glove or my hand. This is still clean, and then we dispose of the gloves, okay? So if you're gonna wear gloves, just understand the limitations. You still should not be touching your face. You have to treat them like another skin. And just remember, take them off the right way. And of course, still, we must be vigilant. Wash your hands again. Okay, guys, so to glove or not to glove, I say no, but if it makes you feel better and it doesn't take away resources from healthcare providers, then go for it. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.